Alright guys, so here's one of the Ms460 builds that's done. Now, I got some questions for you guys, and I don't know, some opinions and stuff. This one gets a decompression plug, and I don't know why people are just plugging those. That decompression plug is so nice to start this, because when you don't use it, you about put the handlebars through your face. So, I'm not really sure why people are plugging those. That decompression thing, I mean, it almost never goes bad. It closes once it starts. It's really nice. I enjoy it. I don't know. So anyways, here's one of them. This is a YD100 bottom. It's actually made by the same place that does the Flying Horse. You can actually see their logos. It's an Indian injection casted bottom half, and I just show you this to be, these are the top ends that come on them. Look at how well the castings are on these. I mean, I don't know if many of you had a YD100, but usually they come out looking like crap from China. I mean, I don't know if you can even see in there, but those are really clean ports and stuff. You really need a light though to see it, but yeah, all in all, this is a really nice castings for YD100s. I don't know, a lot of the stuff that they have really nice. That 100cc one, I'm loving that. But anyways, with all that said, I have a 12 volt coil. I have the 12 volt CDI to go with this, the NGK plug to go in this. There's a decompression plug that's not in this one. The basic clutch, super clutch, spins free. So everything is oiled, greased, lubed, all of the above. So this whole little unit here, I'm not going to do a carb. I was going to put carbs on them, but everyone told me that it's kind of dumb at this point, because everyone's going to put whatever it is they want on it anyways. They're going to snake it somehow and make it fit the frame, you know. So putting it on is just dumb, I guess, in a way, because, you know, most people that are going to buy these already have plans, you know. But I'm going to put the boot on here with the 48 millimeter stud spacing. It's, I believe, 30 millimeter. And 32, actually, sorry. The exhaust has these studs already. They're already fully seated in. About a 1/4 inch left out. The clutch has the fiber pads, the rubber fiber pads in there that have the metal in them. So those do grip very well. I've had really good results with those. But I mean, all in all, I put a copper gasket in. I filled this with ultra gray, both sides. So I did the copper gasket. I put RTV, the red, on there. Put the copper gasket down, put the head down. You know, everything's machined to fit 50 millimeter spacing right on the bottom half here. I mean, all in all, the piston has the roller needle bearing in it. So that's all converted, that's all in there. So it's nice and smooth, you don't have to worry about all that bushing crap. So all in all, these are really nice little builds like this. Now, I gotta ask though, this part, you know, I got the piston and I gotta press all those things in. I use a piston press actually to put all the pieces together, and it's pretty reliable now. I haven't had any problems with the new ones, so I'm doing that, putting them in. You know, I gotta cut the gasket to actually match the bottom half to the top half. And then, you know, you gotta fill the transfers. You gotta cut the jug on a oval to get them to 50 to 50. You know, the original clutches in these they're not going to grip with the one spring. The three evenly push on the pleat and really engage it. So, you know, all in all, a lot of this stuff where you take out the clutch, you gotta cut the jug, you know, match the spacer, fill the, you know, a lot of people can't do that, and that's the goal of it, is to make something you can. Now, I'm thinking of just selling all the pieces separate too, or do them like, buy one of these, cut them all out, put them out, you know, all that stuff. The clutches, I'll put those in there. And then, you know, go from there, I guess. I don't know. The biggest problem I'm having right now is shipping of parts to me. It's either ridiculous, like the price, or I can't get them here, or the time frame is so huge I'll never even probably see them. So that's the biggest thing, and it's mostly the bottom halves, and I really want these because these are such good quality. They use really good bearings and stuff in them right out of the, you know, the get-go here. So, anyways, and here's an interesting fact too. I took a YD100 piston, and I took the piston out of the Ms460. The Ms460 piston is actually lighter than the YD100 piston by quite a bit. So I've been just putting them in with the stock one, and it's actually pretty damn balanced right out of the get-go. So we're having really good luck with that. Nothing bad, no vibrations. I mean, these are running really nice. But you know, that's where I'm at. Any suggestions, like, you know, should I just make the parts kits and sell them like that? Should I only sell them like this? Because most people can't do, like, the transfers. You can't measure, you know, the spacers and cut everything correctly. And I know, it's a lot to it, but I'm thinking of just selling each part individually. And also selling them as is, I guess. I don't know. But anyways, let me know what you guys think, because, you know, a lot of people just don't have... I'm worried, like, someone's going to buy a top half part and not be able to do the transfers and stuff, you know, correctly. Or, you know, put it on a bottom half and they can't figure out how to do the clutch right and it slips and then complain. Because you know that's what I'm going to run into. It's a bunch of people that have no clue of any mechanical skills that'll buy it and complain about it. So I'm trying to avoid that. This little package right here pretty much alleviates everything that's crazy in one of these builds, and all you do is add a carb and, you know, you're exhausted. So let me know what you think.